Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. This right here is an acrylic charm with floating pieces inside. Welcome to the project. So one day I was scrolling on the gram and this ad had popped up, and it was these necklaces that had something inside of them that looked like beads. One day I was thinking of an idea and I thought about that sponsored ad that I remember seeing, and I thought, what if I made something out of acrylic and put something inside of it? When it comes to making acrylic jewelry with my Glowforge, I'm always up for a challenge. Not only am I gonna show you how I made these charms, I'm also gonna put a free PDF file in the description below. Okay, we already did the heart and the square. I'm gonna show you how I did the circle. Okay, first thing you wanna do if you're using CorelDRAW, you wanna go up to this part right here and we wanna put in 1.25 inches. And we wanna make sure we got these at 0. This is your Y axis and your X and Y axis. You wanna make sure you got this at 0. And I'm gonna tell you why in a minute. This makes everything a lot easier. And we're just gonna put this, remember, at 1.25. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. We're gonna make sure it's a hairline. That's okay. And we're gonna create a circle, 1-inch circle. We're just gonna make it 1.0 right there and 1.0 right there. So it's a perfect circle. Okay, so while you still got it selected, we want to create a contour. We want to go over here and select the contour tool. And we want to make sure that we have the middle one right here, because this is the inside contour. We're going to just do 1 step and 0.1. So you just want to make sure you go over here and click contour, and it's going to put a contour inside of it. So while it's still selected, we're going to go up here to objects and we're going to break contour apart. So we can also, we can select this one right here, select the inside circle, and you just want to go up here to edit, and we're going to make a duplicate. So once you make a duplicate, it's going to place that duplicate in the same spot that it is. So now you can still, while select, and just press your arrow key, and it's going to push it over just like so. So next thing we want to do is we want to go on and create a little circle ring thing right here, so we can hook the jump ring to. So we're just gonna create 2 circles. One at 0.3, that's what I went with, 0.3. And we're gonna go on and create another circle at 0.15, 0.15. Perfect circle. Everything's a hairline. So let's move this one down here out the way somewhere. So you want to take this one and we want to put it something like so. So let's select both of them, and we want to go up here to alignment and press align centers. Okay, I forgot to explain. The reason why we changed this 1.25 and kept it right here, because when we made that duplicate, it keeps it in the same spot. That's basically what this does. And then once we press the arrow key, it went over, this circle right here went over 1.25 inches. It went over to the right 1 inch and 1/4. So while we still got this selected and it's in the center, you can select both of them like so. And we just want to use the combine tool right here. And we're going to combine it like that. And then we want to take this circle and put it up in the center, somewhere like so. Select both of them, and we want to go up here to alignment in the center, so we can make sure that that's perfect. Now once we go over right here, you can just go over, and since we still got it at 1.25, we can just press that and press the arrow over once, and it's going to directly put it in the center like so. So that's how you do that part. So this second one, like this square right here, this is just a perfect circle that we can just create. Just make it 1 inch by 1 inch. So we got that circle right here, because this is going to be the back part right here. And then like this side right here, we can just do the same thing. you can just select it, press Command D, or either edit and go to duplicate, then press down, and it's gonna put the circle right here. Then we can do the same thing. Just go up here to contour, same steps. Since it's on the inside, one step, 0.1, and make sure we just select it. And it's gonna create this contour right here. This is gonna be the front part. And then once we still got this one, we can either go up here to get this one, this circle right here, or we can go right here, select this whole thing, break contour apart, and it's gonna do the same thing. So we can go right here and we can basically go up here to edit and make a duplicate and just press down, and this is gonna be this circle right here. But what we're gonna do with this circle at the bottom, this is gonna be the clear piece. So we wanna make sure that it snaps directly inside of it. So what I did was I just selected it and I just went up, I added, see, 0.8 inches. So I just add 2 to right here and just add 2 to right here. And it just made it just a little bit thicker, just enough where you can snap it inside of it and it'll fit directly into it. So that's how I created the charm pieces. These are the letter alphabet beads right here that I got out of Michaels. These are the little gold beads right here that I got out of Michaels. Okay, I already put these two together right here. This one right here has alphabet beads inside of it, and it just spells dope. And it got the little gold seed beads inside of it. And this one is just the circle one. This is the one that just has some Swarovski crystals mixed in with the gold beads inside of this one. Now we're gonna put together the heart. This right here is the back piece. It is 1/8 inch thick. This is the middle part. This is the part that where you're gonna hook the jump ring to. This part right here is 1/4 inch thick. This is gonna be the front of it. This is 1/8 inch thick. And this is the clear. This is also 1/8 inch thick. This is gonna be the part that we're gonna put inside of this one. I'm going to glue it all together using this right here. There you have it. I must say that the dope one is probably my favorite one. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project.